Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtech. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to track your steps using your Apple Watch. It's a really straightforward process, and the great thing is that your watch does most of the work for you. To begin, all you have to do is open the Activity app on your Apple Watch. The Activity app automatically tracks your steps throughout the day, so you don't need to do anything extra to get started. You can view your step count directly on your watch by simply swiping up on the watch face to access the activity rings. These rings give you a quick snapshot of your daily activity, but for more details, scroll down within the Activity app. Here, you'll find a breakdown that includes your total steps for the day. If you'd rather check your step count on your phone, that's easy too. Just open the Fitness app on your paired iPhone. This app will show not only your step count, but other fitness metrics as well, giving you a more comprehensive view of your daily activity. For quick access, you can even add a complication to your watch face. This lets you see your step count at a glance without needing to open any apps. The Apple Watch uses a built-in accelerometer to track your steps, which measures your movement as you go about your day. While the built-in Activity app is great for most users, some people may want more detailed or specialized tracking features. In that case, there are third-party apps that can provide extra insights, like customized step goals, historical data, or integration with other fitness platforms. However, for the majority of users, the built-in Activity app is more than enough for basic step tracking. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get the most out of your Apple Watch. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.